Hello everybody, this is Adrian for WapCar.my and I'm all about the details. This is the 2022 Proton Saga MC2 and in today's video, I'm going to give you guys everything there is to know about this updated Saga. MC2 stands for Minor Change 2. This is the second minor change for this Proton Saga. And now there are now 4 variants of the Saga available, starting from the Standard, Standard Auto, Premium, as well as this Premium S as you've seen here. Now all variants of the Saga get an updated grille. You now have the infinite width grille as well as ethereal bowl motif, similar to what you've seen in the X50, X70 updated iris as well as Persona. I think this is quite nice, as well as the Proton new rounder logo. But this red touch here just doesn't gel very well with this jet grey color. Now further down here, you get a new front lip with gloss black finish, makes the car look a little bit sportier. This is not the anniversary edition body kit, that one is a little bit more garang. As before, on premium variants of the Saga, you get LED daytime running lights, while the standard ones don't get. Gone are the 5-spoke star-shaped alloy wheels that resembles a Mercedes-Benz wheel, replaced with this kind of fan blade style. It's a dual-tone finish. You get gloss finish on the upper side of the rims as well as these inner spokes. They are finished in a more dullish grey color. I'll be honest, it looks much better in person compared to the spy shot pictures. They're still wrapped around 18555R15 rubbers. Over to the side, here you get gloss black side mirror caps. The mirrors are now power folding function, by the way, for this range topping Premium S model. And over down here, you also get a nice little side skirting to give it complement the front lip. Changes to the rear applies only to the range topping Premium S model. First up, you get a nice black garnish with the Proton lettering. That is to house the new boot release button, again only available on the Premium S model. And further down here on the lower diffuser section, the chrome finish is now replaced by a gloss black trim that runs across. I think it looks quite smart. Changes on the interior are more substantial compared to the exterior. First, you will notice the red accents across the dashboard on the air vents, steering wheel, as well as the instrument cluster, the rings. But again, this applies only to the range-topping Premium S model. That's the new Proton logo, as well as an updated touchscreen infotainment system. Well, I say updated because the operating system now runs on the Atlas operating system, which is updated. I had a quick play around. It feels quicker to use. Not a lot of new functions being added into here. Now, further down here, you will find the new climate control panel. So it's now a rotary knob style to control your temperature as well as your fan speed. Again, there's no automatic function. But other than that, the seats are also new. It now comes with semi-leather with fabric inserts on the center. I think this is quite a nice touch. It just makes the Saga feel that much more premium compared to the previous one. And on the Premium S model, you also get black roof lining to give it that sporty cocoon feeling. 2 very important new features that have been added to this Saga that brings it to the year 2022. Push start button as well as power folding side mirrors. So the push start button also comes with your keyless entry, but again, the keyless entry button is only available on the driver's side door. What baffles me a little bit is that the push start button is located further down there instead of where everyone thought the push start button would be placed, which is on the top here. There's an empty round slot. Mechanically, there are no changes under the hood. Still powered by a 1.3-litre naturally aspirated VVT 4-cylinder petrol engine, pushing out 95 horsepower at 120 Nm of torque. Now, this is not the reduced smaller capacity size as seen in the Pakistan market. We still get the larger capacity engine, paired to again the same 4-speed automatic transmission, which I think it's amazing to drive compared to the CVT gearbox. But yes, so there you have it guys, a quick rundown on all the new features on this updated Proton Saga MC2. For more information on this Saga MC2, make sure to log on to WapCar.my and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this, because I have just